Welcome back everyone to one of these videos what not a lot of people watch. Because when I'm using my RV, they call me the clueless RVer because I just wing everything. Like I do it with everything else. Today we take a look at the tires. I don't know why I did this. I just like to see when the slides go out and in. I don't know why I do stuff. We are testing right away the new air hose my wife bought me and the new tire filler. I would suggest use some safety goggles anyhow, even if it's not a new air hose, because you never know. This one is supposed to go up to 200 psi, I think. They didn't even write it on it, but there is a note inside, so we will see this in a minute. Nice purple color she chose. There is a little note in here. We just gotta make sure. Max pressure 150 psi. Okay, it looks like an air hose, right? That's all it is. I have some pressure on it. And that's the new tire filler with pressure gauge. And I can turn a light on and it says unit PSI, so we are correct. Bar for the Europeans. KPA. All I need is a PSI, so let's connect this and let's get to the tires. We gotta have the tire replaced tomorrow. They look actually brand new. These tires have about 1,500 miles on it, but they're 6 years old. And yes, you need to replace them. Just have a look at it. That shows me these tires are very, very good. They are like brand new tires. Like I said, 1,500 miles, 6 years, and we gotta get rid of them. Why I replaced them with 6 years old? Because this happened on my tires that were 7 years old. If we would keep these tires, we would fill them to the max. So you just look here and don't drive them when it's to the max. Go by whatever is the specification for your RV. When I park this RV for extended period of time, like 2-3 months, I'm gonna get the tire pressure up all the way to the maximum. And for this, I gotta turn the compressor on because this one is 110 psi. The running pressure is 85 psi. Man, I hope I get done before it starts raining. It's already ridiculous cold out here. So that's it. It's up to the max pressure, 110 psi. Now it's time to get new tires on that motorhome. So please like, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And hit that notification bell, because next week we will do the final step on winterizing a motorhome. You guys have a great week.